Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about how you can get your money out of platforms like Upwork, or as a freelancer who has worked for a client abroad and now you need to get your payment. For example, you can use Gusto to receive your payment when you're working with a client directly, especially if the client is a corporate brand. And you can also use a platform that is relatively new to us freelancers, which is Cleva. It's a platform that can receive ACH payment from Upwork, just like we have GigPay, Grey Africa, Shipper Cash, and other ACH platforms. I'll be showing you how to open a Cleva account and how to connect it with your Upwork. Let's go. So right about now, I'll be showing you how to create a Cleva account. So go to create an account. So enter your details, referral code. This read and agreed to policy, most of us don't read. So an email has been sent to me. What I have to do is to go to my email. So right in my email, I can verify this. So you can see my email has been successfully verified. So I can go to the login page. So this is my email. My password has been auto-entered. So I can just click login. So you can see login successful. So it's asking me to create a PIN. So the PIN submitted. So transaction PIN created. So this is the PIN I'll be using for my transaction. So continue. So you can see my account has been created. The exchange rate presently is $1 equals 1,412. This is very low. Grey Africa actually have ACH service just like this Cleva. I also use GigPay. You can also use Shipper Cash ACH. So there are multiple alternatives to Cleva exchange rate if it's not something you're convenient with. So my account won't be in full-fledged. So I need to open a USD account. I think I will need to do for most sites, I will need to do the KYC first. But let's see if they will let me do this. Let's try out this feature. It's not functional yet. So I need to complete my KYC before I can do this. So let's get started. I just had to take the picture with my phone. So I need to open a USD account. I think I will need to do for most sites, I will need to do the KYC first. Okay, so now I'm uploading my document. It will take a day to have this document verified. Or after that is verified, I would be able to create a US dollar account. So just like any other platform, like GigPay, like Grey, like Shipper Cash, this is just another alternative. I love having multiple options for anything I want to do on the internet. Yeah, for now, I prefer to process most of my payment through GigPay, but it's good to have alternatives. As you can see, KYC verification pending. Thank you for submitting your information. We would send you a notification within 1 to 2 days with status of your verification. So once this is done, I'll be able to come back to my dashboard, login, and this will not be grayed out. I'll be able to do this. I'll be able to do this. To be a plus if their USD virtual card works. So I think this is one issue I have with GigPay presently. Sometimes I want to withdraw money from my freelance account and want to use it to make international payments. So GigPay's card is presently not working. I know they've had this issue in time past and they fixed it. Hopefully they would be able to fix it. But even if they don't, Cleva now has the same option. And they have referral. So if you are creating this account, please use my referral code. I'll share it in the description below. I received this message from Cleva saying, "Dear Sunday, congratulations, your KYC verification was successful. Now that your account has been verified, you can start receiving USD payments, saving in dollars, that's in USD, and paying out to your local bank accounts. Thank you for choosing Cleva. Best regards, the Cleva team." Okay, so now I can go to my Cleva account. So remember the other time that the Get USD account is grayed out. You can see it's no longer grayed out anymore. Now I can create a USD virtual card. I can start referring people to Cleva. So if you want to get a Cleva account, I'll put my referral code in the description. Please use it. Yes, that might be a way to support this channel. You know, I'm not keen or big on referrals, and I'm trying to make money off you. So now I'm clicking on open a USD bank account. So it's asking me create a USD bank account. So create account created. Congratulations, your USD account has been created. So now let me view my account. What you do now is you check your account details. So this is my account details to receive USD. Use these bank details to receive USD via ACH or domestic wire from any US bank. Any money transferred to this account will appear in your account balance. The minimum deposit you can receive is $1.50. Micro deposit amount less than $1 used for account confirmation can still be received, but they are later returned to the sender. The maximum daily deposit is $4,000. For those of you ballers that want to receive $20,000, okay, and that's daily. So if I want to receive more than $4,000 in a day, what you will just have to do is to split it. If probably you need to receive one part of it in the day, then part of it the next day. So amounts above this require additional verification before they can be processed. So if you do the additional verification, you can process this. So this is also a Wells Fargo bank. Just GigPay also gives you a Wells Fargo bank. Okay, so now what you can do is I can go to my Upwork account. So right here in my Upwork account, I click on this, then click on settings. So now I go to get paid. So under the get paid, so this was a gray account I was trying to add to my payments ACH. This GigPay, and there was a name mismatch. I have to delete my gray account completely and reopen it. But in that process, I discovered Cleva. So now I'm using Cleva. GigPay actually works fine for me. The only disadvantage to GigPay for now, like I said, is that I am not able to use their MasterCard to make payments, and I don't like that. So now you click on add a method of payment, so we can add the USD account that Cleva gives to us. We are not doing direct to local bank, so you look for direct to US bank. So this is the ACH. So set up. So it's asking me for my password again. This is the account number. Copy it, then paste. Confirm account number, paste again. So it's not letting me paste. So if it's not letting me paste, that means I have to enter it manually. So if it's not letting you paste, so enter it manually, 4063. We are good.